Rahim. We just saw the minaret of the Masjid Quba, and here is the Masjid al-Jummah, the first mosque where the Jummah was prayed. Actually, the mosque was built later on, but when Holy Prophet ﷺ was migrating from Makkah Mukarramah to Medina Munawwara, he came here and then he offered the Jummah prayer along with the Muslims. And it is said that this is the place where the children and the men and the people of Medina Munawwara received Holy Prophet ﷺ. And they sang, Talaa-ul-Badru Alaina min Saniyat-il-Wedaa وجب الشكر علينا ما دعا لله داع.